Hi, mathematicians. So today we're going to be doing an activity called Figure Me Out. And it involves getting to know each other a little bit better while also solving some math problems and showing off your math problem solving. So let's go over how this is going to work. So on the following slides, you will write different math equations to give the answer to the question. For example, a question might be, how many places have you traveled? And you'll come up with a math equation for someone else to solve that reveals the answer. So for example, 3 plus 3 plus 3. So if you traveled for 9 years, you would say 3 plus 3 plus 3. One question does ask about the number of your birth month. And if you're not sure about that, I put that on slide 6 for you. So for example, my birthday is in August, so my answer would be 8. Let me show you some examples because I think it'll make more sense. So this is Mrs. Johnson example. So she has number of years I've been in school. To figure this out, you would do 200 minus 175 and say what it equals. And if you want to try and solve these, go ahead. Her shoe size, she did 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 2. Her birth month, 30 minus 23. Her birth date, 5 plus 5 plus 7. Of course, her name's in the middle. The number of people in her family, 100 minus 96. The number of letters in her name, 24 minus 17. The number of pets she owns, 0 plus 2. And the number of sports she loves, 65 minus 63. So let me give you one example. To figure out Mrs. Johnson's shoe size, I would do 2 plus 1, okay, that's 3, plus 4, that's 7, plus 2 more, that's 9. So that means Mrs. Johnson's shoe size is a size 9. Let me show you my example. And again, if you want to try and solve these, go for it. So this is for me. So number of years I've been a teacher, 5 minus 1. Solving that will tell you the answer. My shoe size, the number halfway between 6 and 7. My birth month, 100 minus 92. My birth date is 5 plus 5 plus 5. The number of people in my family, 36 minus 32. The number of letters in my name, 28 minus 20. The number of pets I own, 15 minus 13. And the number of sports I love, 3 minus 0. So let's solve one together as an example. Let's go with the number of pets I own. So if you've been paying attention to me talk in class or have read my letter, you should know I have 2 pets. I have 2 dogs. And that makes sense because 15 minus 3 equals 2. Okay. So you're going to do the same thing, but for you. So you're going to fill in your age, an equation for it. Remember, don't just give the answer. So you wouldn't just write that you're 8 years old. You would give an equation for it. You're going to do your shoe size, your birth month. Remember, if you're not sure, you can look here. Your birth date, that means what actual number of the day you were born. So for example, my birthday is August 15th. So I would have 8 as my birth month because August is the 8th month of the year. But my birth date, I would need it to equal 15. Of course, put your name, the number of people in your family, the number of letters in your name. You can do your first or last name or them combined, whatever you would like, the number of pets you own, and the number of sports you love. If you don't like sports, feel free to edit that category and make your own. All right, boys and girls, I cannot wait to see you guys figure me and Mrs. Johnson out, and then us to try and figure you out. Remember, if you have any questions, you can join our Google Meet today. All right, have a great day. Bye.